For those who don't know, Emporia develops, designs and produces smartphones, tablets, apps and feature phones that are easy to use and specifically tailored to the older generation. With the ME6 we have easy mode, USB-C connection, hearing aid support, 50 megapixel rear camera, plus a 6.5 inch display and so much more. But let's get it unboxed. There's one tab at the top that you just need to unfold, and there's one at the side as well that just unfolds as soon as you open that one at the top. And inside we get to see our phone, plus something else that you don't normally get now with newer smartphones. So I'm just going to sit the phone to the side at the moment, and then to share this, which we don't get too often with our latest smartphones, and just have a look at the size of this quick start guide or helpful booklet full of information and so much to share about your brand new phone here from Emporia. But if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Just look at how thick that is as a booklet. Great point here, and I really love that they still include this, and also it's available online. Lifting that lid reveals our phone with some key features highlighted on it, so let's take a look at those key features. This is a 5G smartphone with a 50 megapixel, 2 megapixel and time of flight rear camera. It has a 6.58 inch full HD display, fingerprint sensor, emergency button on the back, USB-C connection, NFC for payments. Peeling that sticker away, we get to see our 6.58 inch full HD display, and let's see what else comes in the box. So first up is your power connection cable. So this is a USB-A to USB-C. So there is no plug provided in this box, but it can connect into a PC, a laptop, or any other plug you may have in the house. And also you have your SIM tool as well, so you're able to put a SIM card in this device. So taking a closer look at our Emporia ME6 here. So the power button, as you can see, is clearly highlighted in red down the right hand side. So we're going to give this a little squeeze and it will power on for us, and this will actually act as your fingerprint sensor. You can see here we're running Android, and then you've got some volume keys as well down the other side. You then have your USB-C connection at the bottom, but we'll have a great look at this when we go through my full review. And then you're greeted with hello, and then you can begin to go through the setup process. But not to worry, I've made a simple step-by-step video which I'll link in the video description. One note here though is there is accessibility settings that you can change and adjust at the very beginning to make it more accessible to you. With the setup process now complete, we can enjoy using your phone like so many others. Thanks to having Android 13 and the ability to get all the apps you need from the Google Play Store, you can go out and capture all of your adventures with a 50 megapixel sensor on the rear camera, which is supported by a 2 megapixel sensor and your time of flight sensor. Plus you can even grab a selfie or two with your grandchildren, your children, or even if you want to just grab one yourself with an 8 megapixel front facing camera, and of course options to change to an optional easy mode to make it easier to use, plus a physical panic button on the back which you can choose to call emergency services such as 999 here in the UK, or a quick key to get help from loved ones. That's only if you require it, so it's only if an accident happens or something happens in the home, or you get a little bit worried when you're out and about, you can press this button and get help and support, which I think is really great option to have here. I'll be going through all of these key features in a detailed review, so make sure to subscribe today and ring the notification bell to be notified when I launch new videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, or even if you have video suggestions of what you would like to see on the brand new Emporia ME6, please let me know. I'll be looking forward to seeing your suggestions or your questions. So this is available now. You can check the link in the video description to Emporia's website, where you can purchase this phone for £300. Also is available on Amazon UK, which I'll link in the video description. All that's left to say is thanks for watching and have a great day.